Hey guys, how you doing? Let's start with our project, and we already have some idea about how is our project tree, how is our component tree, components relationships with actually each other, and now we know what to do. Well, in this project, like I said, actually this is our last project which we created using Git, and I haven't changed anything specific, anything much actually because I have changed half of this code, I have removed every content of it, and I have also removed every single CSS code in app.css. Anyway, in app.this world, we are going to actually add all our components here with a specific structure. We are going to have three main structures, three main parts for our page: header, footer, and main. Okay, let's make a directory called parts. Our page is actually made of three main parts. The first one is header, which has navbar in it. Second one is footer, and the main component is going to be actually main. Okay, I'm going to insert all of this in our app.this field. Also make a script tag to header. Make sure that you are importing header from project, because in last video, in previous videos actually, we installed this bootstrap, and this one has a header component to it. I believe so, yes. No, actually it doesn't have a specific part called header, but just be careful not to insert from any other library. First one is header, second one is main, and the last one is going to be actually footer. Okay, in case actually this is not a HTML and CSS course, and that's why I'm not going to write this code here, and I'm not going to do the footer from scratch and put design here. So I'm going to cheat a little. We're going to use material design bootstrap site, which seems to be actually a library made up of bootstrap with material design concepts. Well, this is a really nice library. I like it really. That's really cool, but it doesn't have a specific implementation for skills, so we couldn't use this like as bootstrap, but we can use it. We can use the components because the name of classes are almost the same, and this one's making trouble. Because we also, if you remember, in here we have added the files of the main files of CSS here too. Okay, so we can use this material design bootstrap as actually a component generator for ourselves and save us a lot of time. Seriously. So I'm going to find a nice footer. In navigation part, we can actually find footer. We are going to copy first footer. I'm going to choose I'm going to actually use a simple one and simple with it. Okay, I'm going to use. Seriously, it's hard to choose all of them. Nice. I'm going to use this. Okay, let's copy the footer section and let's paste it in our footer. Okay, let's save it and let's run the code. But before that, let me copy header to actually header main header is going to have some extra parts added to the navbar. Well, we don't need this. We're going to choose a pure navbar. Actually, we're going to go with a simple navbar here. I'm going to choose one with blue bumps on it. This one is nice. I'm going to use this one. I'll just copy it. Let's go in here and paste. This is actually saving us a lot of time. I'm not going to write CSS code because I don't really seriously like CSS, and I would like to keep the time as much as possible. Okay, let's make a div here. This div is going to have a line side of height of to size is going to be 800 pixels, and let's save it and see how it goes. Okay, we got the post footer and header together. Okay, one thing that we have to consider here is, okay, this is not totally just like the one we copied. Okay, why? Because it's material bootstrap. To be honest, this is material and it has some serious actually some extra features too here, including some shadow and things like that. These are actually added with some specific classes for this library, but you don't really need this. You don't really need that. Actually, these are all okay to be granted. I would like to change this icon, this fab icon too. Let's go for it. Let's go find index.html, and here we are going to change this to actually to a sticker. I have added my own logo here in a public folder which used for files. Okay, we got the logo changed. Okay, let's change the logo here too. And I'm going to reduce this size to 500 so we can see both of these count here. So let's make mean height to 500. Yeah, this is nice. This is good. And okay, let's change this one too. And we change text later on. And let me find it. Let's find it. Okay, this is the source image for that, and I'm going to change it to that is here. It's a little bit small. I'm going to make it 25 better, and that's all good. That's all good. And let's make actually profile section. We have to make profile section. We have to make a list for tasks. We have to make each task component, and in actually final section, after we have done all this, we are going to add routing, which we will change a bit, just a little bit of our structures, which is going to make things really easier to work. Okay, let's make a new folder, a new component. Right here, let's make this let's make the component 5. Okay. I also built a folder called components for our components, and our dynamic, more dynamic and more minimal, more actually minimal. The components are going to be here. Okay. Our profile component. Let me check this out, whether they have any thing. Okay, I'm going to actually use some form code here. Form code from this material bootstrap library, and we're going to copy this to our main page. We need a form for user form, actually name and fund name. These are just for reactivity training. We need to train some concept using these things. And let me pick this. This is simple and okay. I'm going to do another one too. Well, we're going to be here, okay? Also, I need to... Okay, I found what I wanted. Actually, you can find anything you want here. And I found this beautiful profile component here, which is really nice. Let me check the others too. This first one makes a job super done. Okay, I'm going to copy this one to the profile too. Okay, I don't really care about the code here. You can check it out. This is not a material. This is not actually Bootstrap course. This is not a CSS course. Not HTML course. And you have your own way to do this. And this is we are going to focus on just a slow and a slow functionality. Okay, in the main page we are going to delete this. We're going to build the row and make two columns here. Give that code 3 and give it 9 actually give it 3 parts taken and column with 9 parts taken. In this one, in the actually 3 one, we are going to put first profile form, and then we're going to put our profile itself. Okay, this profile and profile form will actually directly communicate with each other actually. And okay, it's a bit ugly. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I need to check some things out. Okay, I'm going to remove this part and do that again. This is actually better a bit. I have removed the background. Let's check. Why is this like that? I'm going to remove the H100 now even better. And we are going to remove the padding. Going to reduce the H100 to H25, and let's see what's even better. Actually, I'm not going to focus on this because that doesn't really matter around here. And we are going to also check out our form situation. Form is going to be alright. Let's put the form in a container. Okay, container is actually loaded and things are better. We can remove some of this information here too. So I'm going to remove. I need to keep the name, so I need to remove this follower numbers right here. I need to remove the 2 buttons too, and I'm going to remove this. I don't know what the hell is that even. Okay, we got things that we want. Okay. Well, also I need to really make this thing a little bit left. And sorry for this time taken, but we're going to have a really nice, actually nicer UI, and we are going to make this a bit better. But I think that's enough. Anyway, I think that's what we can put the profile form in a card. Let's check the. Can put it in a card to make things even better. We're going to set a heading of 2, make it the center, and we don't need these 2 cards. I want to keep this button, but that's not necessary anyway. I'm going to remove the checkbox, this one. Okay, and we are almost all done, except the fact that I need to add an in here to keep distance between 2 objects. Okay, I'm going to remove this one too. Now it is almost done. Believe me, I don't really like HTML and CSS anyway. I'm more of a backend developer, and that's the exact reason. This is a good course. This is a good course actually from a backend developer's perspective, and you can learn how to do things fast. Anyway, we got the thing done. We have made a little bit change to our main layout, the layout we planned actually, but this is good anyway. Now let's go and focus on let's go make our to-do list. Okay, going to close these 2 ones. Let's make our main get some more height. Style and height, and let's make it 550. That's good. This is really nice. Okay, let's add our list. Let's add the list in the next video.